Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. This is the fourth video of the series AZ-104 exam. Coming towards questions. Question is, you have Azure Active Directory team. You plan to delete multiple users by using bulk delete in Azure Active Directory Admin Center. You need to create and upload a file for the bulk delete. Which user attribute should you include in the file? Option A, the user principal name and usage location of each user only. Option B, user principal name of each user only. Option C, display name of each user only. Option D, display name and usage location of each user only. And option E, display name and user principal name of each user only. And correct option would be option B, the user principal name of each user only. Next question. You have three offices and an Azure subscription that contain an Azure Active Directory tenant. You need to grant user management permission to a local administrator in each office. What should you use? Option A, Azure AD role. Option B, administrative unit. Option C, access package in Azure AD entitlement management. Option D, Azure role. And correct option would be option B, administrative unit. Next question. You have Azure subscription that contains a storage account named Storage 1. The Storage 1 account contains a file shared name Share 1. The subscription is linked to a hybrid Azure Active Directory tenant that contains security group name Group 1. You need to grant Group 1 the storage file data SMD share elevated contributor role for share 1. What should you do first? Option A, enable Active Directory domain service authentication for storage 1. Option B, grant share label permission by using File Explorer. Option C, mount share 1 by using File Explorer. Option D, create a private endpoint. And correct option would be option A. Enable Active Directory domain service and authentication for storage 1. Coming to the question number 19, you have two Azure subscription named Sub1 and Sub2. An administrator creates a custom role that has assignable scope to resource group name RG1 in Sub1. You need to ensure that you can apply custom role to any resource group in Sub1 and Sub2. Solution must minimize administrative effort. What should you do? Option A, select custom role and add Sub1 and Sub2 to the assigned scope. Remove RG1 from the assignable scope. Option B, create a new custom role for Sub1, create a new custom role for Sub2, and remove the role from RG1. Option C, create a new custom role for Sub1 and add Sub2 to the assignable scope. Remove the role from RG. Option D, select custom role and add Sub1 to the assignable scope. Remove RG1 from the assignable scope and create a new custom role for Sub. And correct option would be option A, select custom role and add Sub1 and Sub2 to the assignable scope and remove RG1 from the assignable scope. Next question is, you plan to use Azure Import Export service to copy file to a storage account. Which two files should you create before you prepare the drive for the import job? Option A, an XML manifest file. Option B, dataset CSV file. Option C, JSON configuration file. Option D, PowerShell PS1 file. Option E, drive set CSV. Correct options are option B, dataset CSV file and option E, drive set CSV.